In 2024, the JMU College of Health and Behavioral Studies launched the IPE and IDE Introductory Module. The purpose of the module was to ensure that faculty and students had a baseline knowledge about interprofessional and interdisciplinary education and practice. In the healthcare field, interprofessional practice has been linked to increased job satisfaction, lower rates of burnout, and fewer medical errors. We also hoped the module would be a resource for faculty to use as a class assignment or supplemental learning experience for their students.
I was able to beta test the IPE IDE module and was impressed with how comprehensive it was. My students and I found the learning to be engaging and accessible. And moving forward, I look forward to incorporating it and integrating it into my clinical courses to help support students as they prepare for their futures as interprofessional collaborators.
The module invites us to explore the core components of interprofessional and interdisciplinary practices, which foster individual, classroom, and community growth. It's even awesome that our faculty created it.
It was great to have the comprehensive IPE and IDE modules for my students to interact with so they could learn the competencies rather than having them read a formal document. It was apparent also that when they were done, they had really gained a greater depth of understanding with the competencies and that they had started to appreciate the knowledge and skills needed to be effective when working with interprofessional and interdisciplinary collaborations.
As faculty, I appreciate the IPE videos because they give my students a broad perspective of what's expected for them. It delineates the roles clearly and helps them understand the communication skills they need to be effective as part of an interprofessional team. My students like the videos because they're interactive and they say fun.